IKEA's vision is to create a better everyday life for the many people, and we offered well-designed, functional, and affordable, high-quality home furnishing, produced with care for people and the environment. IKEA wants to contribute to creating a fair and equal society by enabling millions to live well within the limits of one planet. No matter where we operate, we will actively support human rights and stand up for equality. This means siding with the many people, especially those experiencing poverty and disadvantages in society, and having a positive impact in the communities they call home.
In the UK, there's over 120,000 refugees with the legal right to work, even more if you include asylum seekers. But they have unemployment levels of around 64%, despite being well educated, having above average levels of employment and education experience, but they're not finding work. And it makes sense to the society, to the economy, to get people that are long-term unemployed with skills to offer into the workplace.
So every client we meet, we get to know them. We find out their short-term goals, their long-term goals, their aspirations. And then after they do that initial enrolment, we sort of assess suitability if they're IKEA eligible. And then they'll be invited to attend the 3-day customer service course. And across those 3 days, we sort of help build people up and see if they are actually a good fit. So if they're successful on the day, they proceed to the interview stage with the different managers of the department that they're looking to go into, and then hopefully get offered a job at the end.
IKEA as a business partnered with a Breaking Barriers customer service course, which we've helped them create. There's been really star candidates who have stood out, have really exhibited the values that IKEA are looking for, and they've gone on to have interviews and then been made offers of employment to join us.
Breaking Barriers and IKEA partnership is really important. There are so many people like myself coming from different countries, not because they want to leave their countries, not because they want to leave their family and friends behind, but they absolutely have to. I have been trained to my master's level, so the fact that they are refugees doesn't necessarily mean that they don't have something to offer. They want to be impactful, they want to put their very best because they've had little given to them, and when they have a little opportunity, they make the best out of it.
The partnership between Breaking Barriers and IKEA has already supported over 80 refugees in 2017 by giving them access to customer service training and English lessons. Hiring refugees also contributes to the diversity of a workforce, which should be viewed as a positive step for any business. Right now we're operating the program in Tottenham, Wembley and Croydon, and now in 2018 we really hope to expand outside of London, and in 2019 our ambition is to run this program nationally. I think it's really an amazing opportunity for other stores to get involved now. We have a great ability to offer meaningful employment to people living in our local communities, but also really get the benefit of hiring engaging, competent, enthusiastic, and really inspiring new co-workers.
Because of what they went through in their life, they are so grateful, so committed, so their engagement is absolutely above the average, and that's why I would recommend it to any other store.
So it's always a good feeling to see them in the corridor, when we see them just for a quick hello or like for a quick catch-up. It's wonderful. So it's definitely the best thing that we have done.